students, welcome back to the career platform. I am Anuradha, your maths teacher. Here in this video I will cover exercise 4.4. Okay, so we are solving the simple equations of class 7, that is, so we will do exercise 4.4 question number 1 here. So it is given, set up equations and solve them to find the unknown numbers in the following cases. It is given some cases. I had write first A part. So we have to first form the construct an equation from the statement, then we have to solve this for the unknown number. So here what is written? Number A, add 4 to 8 times a number, you get 60. Here we don't know the number, okay, we don't know this number, so let the number be x. Okay, then I told you about the times. 8 times means 8 multiplied by that number, so I will write 8x. Then add 4 to, we have to add 4, then you get 60. So result is 60. So I will solve by the transposing method. I have to solve for x, so I will separate all these numbers from x. So here 8x equal to 60 minus 4, that is I am getting here 56. So 8x equal to 56, x equal to 56 divided by 8. Okay, 8 ones are 8 sevens are. So I am getting x equal to 7. So number is 7. That is your answer for part A. Now come to the B part. 1/5 of a number minus 4 gives 3. So here we don't know the number, so let the number be x. 1/5 is 1 by 5 of a number. Of means product, so multiply by x. Minus means subtraction 4. Gives means equal to here 3. Like this you have to form. Okay. Now (1 by 5x), I will transpose this 4 to that side, our right hand side, 3 plus 4. So I will get 1 by 5, I will write here. What I will get? 1 by 5x equal to 7. Okay, and 5 is in the division part, so in the right hand side what I will do? I will multiply with 7. Okay, so x equal to 7 into 5. So I am getting x equal to 35. This is your B part. Okay students, next is C part here. If I take 3/4 of a number, so here also let the number be x. Okay. If I take 3/4 means 3 by 4. Of means multiply with x. Add 3 plus 3, I get 21. Okay. Like this you have to write 3 by 4x equal to 21 minus 3. So here I am getting 18. Okay. So here 3 by 4x equal to 18. So I can write this 4 here, 18 into 4. Okay. X equal to 18 into 4. This multiply by 3 will divide here. 3 ones are 3, 6 are 18. So I am getting here x equal to 24. This is your answer. X equal to 24. Now come to the D part. When I subtracted 11 from twice a number x. So here also let the number be x. You have to assume twice means 2x subtracted from 11 minus 11, result is 15. Like this you have to first construct an equation from the statement. Now you will transpose this minus sign will go to plus. Okay, 2x equal to 26, x equal to 26 by 2, that is I am getting x equal to 13. This is your answer, D part. Okay students, come to the next E part. Okay, here Munna subtracts thrice the number of notebooks he has from 50. So after from which number, that number will be in the first, that is 50 minus thrice the number. So let the number be x, thrice means 3x, equal to result will be 8. This is your equation. So minus 3x equal to 8 minus 50. I am getting here minus 42. Minus minus will be cancelled. X equal to 42 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3, 1 12, 3 4s are 12. So x equal to 14 I am getting here. Okay. Now F part, Ibn Hal thinks of a number. Okay, thinks of a number means let the number be x. If she adds 19 to it and divides the sum by 5, means x plus 19 and divides by the sum of 5. So whole divide by 5. She will get 8. Like this you have to form the equation. Now this 5 I will transfer here. X plus 19 equal to 8 into 5. Okay. X plus 19 equal to 8 5 is 40. X equal to this 19 will be here transfer 40 minus 19. So 10 minus 9 is 1, 3 minus 1 is 21. So I am getting here x equal to 21. This is your answer. Okay students, this is the G part of question number 1. That is the last question for question number 1. Anwar thinks of a number. He thinks of a number means we have to assume number be x. Okay. So let the number be. You have to write like this. Okay. In every question. In some of the question I did not write, but you have to write it. Let the number be x. If he takes away means le gaya. Okay, takes away 7 from 5 by 2 of the number. So from means this part will be first part. After from, that is the first part. So 5 by 2 of means product x. Here takes away means minus 7. Okay. The result is 23. Like this you have to write. 5 by 2x equal to 23 plus 7. Right. 23 plus 7 is 30. So here 5x equal to 30. This 2 I will transfer. This here it is division. So after equal to it will be multiplication. X here it is multiplication. So after in right hand side what it will be? It will be division. 5 6 are 30. 6 2s are 12. So I am getting x equal to 12. This is your answer. Okay students, come to the question number 2. We have to solve the following. So A part is the teacher tells the class that the highest marks obtained by a student in her class is twice the lowest marks. Okay. So here we don't know about the lowest marks. So let the lowest marks be x. Okay. So here twice the lowest marks plus 7. The highest score is 87. So here what is written? The highest score, highest marks in her class is means 87. that is the highest score, okay, is equal to lowest marks, twice the lowest marks. Here it is written twice the lowest marks. So lowest marks I had written x. So twice the lowest marks, 2x plus 7. This is your equation. So here you can write as per question or according to question. You have to write like this, okay, as per question or according to question. So 2x plus 7 equal to 87. Here I am getting 87 minus 7, okay. I am using transposing method. So 87 minus 7 is 80. X equal to, this 2 will come in the denominator, okay. So 2 ones are 2 40s are. So lowest marks is 40, x equal to 40. Here students, you can see the B part. In an isosceles triangle, the base angles are equal, okay. Like this, it is an isosceles triangle. So base angles are equal, okay. So here the vertex angle is 40 degree. What are the base angles of a triangle? It is given. So sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree, we know that. So here let the base angle be B, okay. So what it is written, B plus 40 equal to, this is 40 degree vertex angle. Here this both angles is B, okay. So B plus 40 equal to 180 degree, right. 2B plus 40 equal to 180 degree. 2B equal to 180 minus 40 degree. 2B equal to 140 degree. B is equal to 140 divided by 2. So here what I am getting, answer base angle is 70 degree. That is the solution for B. Okay students, come to the C part here. Sachin scored twice as many runs as Rahul. So let the Rahul score is B, Rahul's score be X. So here Sachin's score will be twice of that Rahul run, 2x. Okay, their runs fell too short of a double century. Double century means 100, double means 2 into 100. Okay, so what it will be, as per question, x plus 2x equal to 200 fell too short. Fell means here minus 2. Okay, too short is fell. So here 3x equal to 198 can be divided by 3. You can sum the digits. 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 9 18. It can be. So 3 6 is 18, 118, 3 6 is 18. So I am getting each one score. So Rahul's score x equal to 66. Rahul's score is equal to 66 runs and Sachin's score equal to 2x, that is 2 into 66, 2 6 is 12, 2 6 is 12, 132 runs. This is your answer for C part. That is the solution. Okay, next question is question number 3rd here. You have to solve the following. This is the statement question. Okay, so you have to, what you have to do? You have to write the equation. Okay. Irfan says that he has 7 marbles more than 5 times the marbles Pamit has. So here it is not given Pamit marbles. So let the Pamit marbles be x. Okay, and 5 times the marbles. So 5x. Here more than means add plus. Okay, plus 7 equal to Irfan has 37 marbles. So equal to 37. This is your equation. Now 5x equal to 37 minus 7. To 5x equal to 30. Okay. Now this 5 will become here denominator will transfer to here 5 1s are 5 6 are 30. So x equal to 6. So here we had Parmeet has 6 marbles. Like this you have to solve the equation number. Here the B part is Lakshmi's father is 49 years old. He is 4 years older than 3 times Lakshmi's age. So here Lakshmi's age is not given, Lakshmi's father age is given. So what we will do? We will assume her age be x. So let the Lakshmi's age be x years. Okay, so here what it is given? 3 times this Lakshmi's age. So here 3x plus older than means addition, older here means more. Here is 4 years, 3x plus 4. What is the year? 49. Like this you have to construct an equation. 3x equal to 49 minus 4. This is plus sign, so it will go minus. 3x equal to 45. X equal to 45 divided by 3. Okay. 3 1s are 3, 1 15, 3 5s are 15. So what I get? X equal to 15. So Lakshmi's age is 15 years. So this is your solution. That is the third part for question number 3. Here it is some story. Okay, we had in the Sundargam, some people had planted the trees in the village garden. Okay, so here some of the trees were fruit trees and some are non-fruit trees. Okay, so here what is given? The number of non-fruit trees were 2 more than 3 times the number of fruit trees. So let the number of fruit trees be x. Okay, here 3 times means 3x and 2 more than means 2 plus, that is plus 2. What I am getting here? 77. Like this. Okay, you can take any variable f or x or y, anything. Okay, so 3x is equal to 77 minus 2. I am getting 3x equal to 75 here. Then x equal to 75 by 3. 3 2s are 6, 1 5, 3 5s are 15. X equal to 25. So what is your answer? The number of the number of fruit trees are 25. Okay students, this is the last question of this exercise 4.4. Here question number 4 is, we have to solve this following riddle. It is like poem. Okay, I am a number. Okay, so let the number be x. Let the number be x. Okay, I am a number, tell my identity. So I had given the identity x. Take me 7 times. Okay, so I will take 7 times and add a 50. Add a 50. Okay. To reach a triple century, here triple century means 100, triple means 3. To reach a triple century means equal to 300, you still need 40. Okay, you still need 40. Here 40. So this is an equation from this riddle and riddle, sorry. So I will solve for this x. 7x plus 50 plus 40 is 90 equal to 300, equal to 7x equal to 300 minus 90. So I am getting 7x equal to 0, 10 minus 9 is 1, 210. X equal to 210 by 7, 7 30s. So number is 30. Okay students, I hope you understood up till here. In the next video, I will come with the new chapter. So please like, share, comment and subscribe this channel. Till then, bye and take care.